I'd like to bring out the Gryphon Trio now. I've seen a lot of this group lately. Only a little while ago, they played a live noon-hour concert broadcast at my new, tiny, perfect little classical music radio station. And then, was it last week? Last week I saw them perform at Luminato, an extraordinary, new, daring, difficult piece, haunting, called Constantinople. And now they're here. This is Roman Boris. This is Anneli Patipatanakou. That's musical in and of itself, and this is Jamie. The Gryphon Trio.
We represent a world that many people say is very much a shrinking universe, that being classical music. It's a problem, some might say. We see it as an opportunity. We don't believe it's really shrinking. We acknowledge fewer people being given the basic tools to be able to appreciate what it is that we do and at the level that we strive to do it. But we do believe that the mastery of the great works written in the golden era of classical music 150, 200 years ago, that the reason that those works have lasted this long will certainly keep them lasting in bringing great things to audiences and those that hear the music as the universe continues to expand. What we have strived to do with this piece, in particular Constantinople, that Moses has just mentioned, is in fact take this intimate experience and put it on a much bigger stage and let people, and combine the live music performance aspect of that which we do with work that artists from other disciplines do. And this is what the experiment known as Constantinople has been for us. We'd like to bring this project to other people in smaller communities perhaps that have never seen anything like this, and we'd like to use that opportunity, bring a multimedia experience to them, and in the middle of all that, sort of secretly reveal to them the secret of chamber music.